They're handsome, they're regal, and they're superbly efficient hunters. Bald eagles stand as one of the most iconic and easily recognizable birds in North America. But how much do you really know about these majestic raptors? Prepare to be amazed as we dive into 9 fascinating bald eagle facts that may just surprise you. While humans with perfect vision see at 20/20, bald eagles boast astonishing eyesight of 24 or 25. This means they can spot prey as small as a rabbit from 3 miles away. Their huge eyes fill most of their skull and provide a remarkable 340-degree field of view. Bald eagles are committed partners. Once they choose a mate, they typically stay together for life. Their courtship rituals, including the breathtaking cartwheel flight, showcase their bond in spectacular fashion. These birds are master architects. Bald eagle nests can reach 5 to 6 feet in diameter and 2 to 4 feet tall, making them the largest nests of all North American birds. One impressive nest in Florida was recorded to be nearly 10 feet wide and weighed almost 3 tons. Fact 4. Food storage. Bald eagles may only need about half a pound to 1 pound of food daily, but they can store up to 2 pounds in their crop. This remarkable adaptation allows them to survive on their stored food when prey is scarce. Fact 5. Feathered friends. Despite their massive wingspan of 6 to 7.5 feet, bald eagles are surprisingly light, weighing only 10 to 14 pounds. They have around 7,200 feathers, which collectively weigh more than their entire skeleton. Fact 6. The name is misleading. Bald eagles aren't actually bald. They're covered in feathers, and the name likely comes from a centuries-old word for white. It takes 4 to 5 years for them to develop their iconic white head and tail. Fact 7. Movie magic. When you hear a bald eagle in films, you might expect a loud, piercing screech. In reality, they make a much softer, wimpy twitter. Hollywood often opts for the call of the red-tailed hawk instead. Fact 8. Resilience. Bald eagles have faced significant challenges, from overhunting to the harmful effects of DDT. Thankfully, banning DDT allowed their populations to recover, and they were removed from the U.S. endangered species list in 2007. Today, there are over 11,000 nesting pairs in the lower 48 states. Fact 9. Ongoing threats. Despite their resilience, bald eagles face new threats from human activity. Lead poisoning from ammunition used by hunters poses a serious risk. Research shows that nearly half of the eagles studied across 38 states have chronic lead poisoning. To protect these magnificent birds, hunters are encouraged to switch to non-lead ammunition. Like, share, and subscribe.